pH indicator paper and its color scale. You know, pH indicator paper is used to determine the pH of the substances. You know, in food industry, pharma industry and pesticide industries or other industries, for pH determination this pH indicator paper and its color scale is used frequently. So right now in this video lecture I show you that what is actually the pH indicator paper and its color scale. Hello everybody, I am Atanu Betal. In this video lecture you are welcome, and watch this video up to the end to understand the full topic of pH indicator paper and its color scale. Before starting the discussion regarding this topic, I would like to remind you that if you are watching this video first time from this channel, then subscribe it and press the notification button to get the new video upload notification instantly. You know, pH determination purpose, for pH, to determine the pH of the substance, we can use an indicator paper. pH indicator paper is called pH indicator paper. You know, this type of box in the market, in laboratory equipment shop or laboratory supply shop, you know, you can buy this type of pH indicator paper. These are booklets of papers, I would like to show you this one. This type of booklets of indicator papers are available in the market. So and with this one is the color strip. This one is the color strip that we need to, at first we need to take one color strip from this pH indicator paper. This one is called pH indicator paper booklet, and from this booklet we have to take one color strip, and then the substance for which we want to determine the pH, we have to, suppose we take one color strip from this indicator booklet, indicator booklet, one color strip from this booklet, then we have to dip this color strip, indicator strip, to the solution or the substance where we need to determine the pH of the substance. If the substance is liquid, then dip it for half minute to 1 minute. After that its color change occur, and you have to check the color. Here is a pH with a color, means pH and with a color list is given in the chart, that is called the color chart. pH with color, you can find this chart in the font. I would like to show you clearly. This one is the chart where you can find the number and color, means color and number. And after dipping this pH indicator strip to the solution or the substance, you have to compare the color change occur in this strip, and you have to compare the color of this strip with the pH. And suppose you are finding a color of deep pink color, then the pH should be you know, pH is 2 here. So you have to compare the color with this scale. Color change occur when you dip this pH strip, indicator strip, to the solution and keep it for half to 1 minute in the solution, and then color change occurs, and you can compare the color with the scale. And after comparing the color with the scale, the given color for a given pH, we can determine the pH of the substance. If the substance is solid one, that time or highly viscous substance, that time you have to pour the substance in this indicator. Okay, for a highly viscous substance you have to pour the substance in this indicator, and after some times, means 1 minute time, you have to collect this paper, means paper strip, indicator strip, and you have to compare the color from the color scale, and you can determine the pH of the substance. So this is called the pH indicator paper and its color scale. pH indicator paper means this type of indicator paper which is used to determine the pH of the solutions or substance. At first we have to dip this pH indicator paper to the solution or the substance. After that a color change occur and we compare the color with the pH scale, means pH color with particular pH, a color with particular pH. When we compare this color with this pH color scale, that time we can determine the pH of the substance. What is the pH of the substance, we can calculate it from this pH scale. Okay, so this is called the pH indicator paper and its color scale. It is used in food industry, pharma industry and chemical industries like detergent powder making. In many industries what happens, we have to control the pH of the substance. So or some substance that are acting as the buffer substance. Okay, buffer substance, and to means a constant pH substance, nearly constant pH, we have to maintain nearly constant pH. In that case we can use this pH determination strip to understand what is the pH of the substance at that time. So this type of pH indicator paper and its color strip is very useful for determination of the pH of the substance. So if you want to determine the pH of any substance, or you need to determine the pH of any substance, then you can use this pH indicator paper and its color strip to determine the pH of the substance. And this color strip is easily available in the market. You can buy it from any laboratory supply stores, and after it is not means it is cheap in price, not costly. Costly paper means costly thing that you cannot buy. It is easily available in the market and it is cheap in price. So for the pH determination purpose, you can use this pH indicator paper and its color scale, and you can measure the pH of the desired substance. So that's the discussion about this pH indicator paper and its color scale. So I think you understand this topic well. If you have any question, then you can write me in the comment section below. I would try to answer your question. Thank you for watching this discussion, and so don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the notification button to get this type of new video upload notification instantly.